Hey guys, happy Monday to you. Happy Veterans Day. Got a new kit to look at. It's the Monogram Rudd Quaker State Buick. Here's that side of the box. That side dated 1989. Now let's have a look. Here's our tires. Our glass. A couple little marks on it, not horrible. Here's our chrome tree. Our rims, our Buick grill, radiator, valve covers, oil pan, air cleaner intake. Our rear bumper. Nice little Monogram catalog of what all came out in 1989. Well-craft boat. I don't think I've ever seen that kit before. The Dazzlement. There's that. Here's our instructions. Pretty self-explanatory. It's our decal sheet, which seems to be in very good condition, surprisingly, for the year. A little bit of yellowing, but overall they're in pretty decent shape. Alright, here's our lower front bumper. It's our green chassis. Our rear suspension, roll cage parts. Here's our roll cage, back brace, the headrest. All molded in green. Here's our headers, our engine halves, our front suspension, shocks, rear differential, steering wheel, camera, radiator shroud, heads, exhaust, dashboard, shocks, fire extinguisher. Assuming this is like a water cooler. Here's our wheel backs, our pedals, our firewall, dash, fuel cell, our hood, our racing seat, part of the roll cage. There's our dry shaft. Another shock that was laying in the bag. Here's our Buick body. Again, molded in this weird color green. It's not really the right color green. Like no flash at all on it. A little bit right there, just a tad. But not in really good shape. This kit was sealed, so I did open it. Can't wait to build this one. Kit number 2786. Bright green Quaker State Buick driven by Ricky Rudd. There's that. I'm currently building the Sunoco Buick or Oldsmobile, but I'm waiting on new decals to come in because the decals were trashed, and then I'll get this finished up. Tried to find a blue that was pretty close to what it had to be at. There's the chassis I'm working on. Got all the roll bar padding done. Just gotta get the headers on it and the exhaust. Do some more little detailing on the chassis in that. So I can't wait to finish that one. Well, you guys all have a great day, and I will catch you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed already, please remember to subscribe. And hopefully I earned your like on this video. But now you guys all take care. Have a great rest of your Monday. Bye.